Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, quick start guide with the Multipick KRONOS. Alright, you will get a few little things like this. You can scan them, see if you can get any advice on how to pick and any teachings like that. They might be good. They've spent a lot of time here to actually put all the literature in there, so I would read them if you are feeling inclined. This one here is basically saying positive to the tip, negative to the back. Alright, so we'll make sure we do that. Let's just do a real quick guide on how to get going. So you've just bought one, you're going to pull it out of the box. Okay, here is your box here. How do we get this working? Alright, so here is your tool. There is your tool right there. It comes with no battery inside, so we're going to remove this cover, anti-clockwise screw it off, and we're going to install the lithium battery here. If this is your first time and you've just received it, I would advise to put your battery on charge and charge it up before doing anything. These type of batteries, it's good, have a full charge, use it, and then recharge it. If you use it with a half charge and run it down, it's probably not going to be the best. So positive is with the little nipple at the top, negative with the flat bit at the bottom. Looking at our charger here, you've got it symbolized here with a little positive and a little negative. So we just have to slide this in between here, like so. Little LED indicator there to do that, and it takes your standard C-type adapter, so you come along with your USB and you plug this in, and you can see now that it's charging. Do that until the light goes green, just to preserve the battery power, just to preserve the quality of the battery, so it's had a good charge. For reference, this is a 18650, 2900 milliamps, 3.7 volts, 10.73 WH if you want to purchase a replacement battery. Alright, so on the instructions, positive to the tip and negative to the base with this needle right here. Taking care to push that in, that is a spring loaded nipple, pushing it in, twisting it around, and away we go. In your box here, you're going to find a little torque type key here. You can just remove that. You can always swap that out to Phillips or a flat blade if you want, and then put your needle in. Remember, the button is at the base. That's the way I use it, and it works good for me. So just letting you know. I'm just tightening up my needle now. You've got a tensioner here. To start off with, I would probably make your spread as small as possible and then widen it as you need. So that's pretty controlled. The needle starts to bend as it's being restricted. Okay. Now it also comes with a tension tool, and it comes with some extra needles here. So now we have our battery straight out of the box, because that's what this is. This is just a quick unbox. How do I use it for the first time? Now I'm going to put my tension tool in. I'm just going to give it a go. We don't teach the lock picking, but you can find plenty of literature online on how to do it. This is pretty much the tool just to, first stick in the lock of the tool. And there we go, done. Just to prove you there is pins in that. You heard it, it's not turning. Let's put my tension tool back in there, and alright, so I would strongly suggest some sort of cover over the front of this. You don't want to break your needle, bend your needle. It can be sharp as well, so just be careful of that, especially when it's in your toolbox or in your pocket. You don't want to stick yourself with it. Really nice pick gun, available from these people, Multipick. I think this is one of their products because they've got their name all over this, Multipick, and if it is, it would definitely be the benchmark or the staple of their products, because it is a rock solid product. So that's quick start. That's how you can start it. That's how you can get it going. That's how you can charge it. Any questions, any comments, leave it down below, and thanks for watching.